Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Short and dictation from Delhi Dawn, 25th March 2024. Caretakers hiked project costs by 30% before exit. Report by Khalik Kiani. Just before the end of its tenure, the caretaker government allowed a cost escalation of about 30% to ongoing contracts of hundreds of development projects, financed under the Public Sector Development Program (PSDP) of the federal government. Full stop. The country's large development portfolio has always been subject to time and cost overruns, leading to repeated revisions in financial costs, besides loss of opportunity costs. Full stop. According to the International Monetary Fund (IMF) estimates for the fiscal year 2022-23, the federal PSDP portfolio of rupees 10.30 trillion alone contained about 1153 development projects. Full stop. This includes 909 ongoing projects worth rupees 7.96 trillion, coupled with the addition of 244 new projects with a total cost estimate of rupees 2.26 trillion. Full stop. Against such a large program, the 2022-23 budget allocated a partly sum of rupees 7 to 7.5 billion. Full stop. It is no wonder the IMF believed that this rate of execution required, on average, 14.1 years for a project to reach completion, and the two only if no new projects were started during this time. Such a consideration is beyond imagination, considering the country's growing population and politicians' tendency to win support mostly through government-financed development schemes. Full stop. These estimates also do not include provincial programs, which are generally more than double the size of the federal scheme and follow federal precedents for revisions in rates. Full stop. Economic cost revision, informed sources said the increase in the cost of escalation of contracts of ongoing projects was allowed a day before the February 8 polls by the Executive Committee of the National Economic Council (ECNIC), led by then caretaker Finance Minister Dr. Shamshad Akhtar. Full stop. The increase came on the premise of inflationary pressures, particularly a rise in the cost of construction materials. Full stop. It was argued that many contractors had stopped the work on mega infrastructure projects because of cost overruns, while others had slowed down and some had even given up their contracts. Full stop. The Executive Committee of the ECNIC considered the summary dated February 7, 2024, submitted by the Ministry of Planning, Development and Special Initiatives, titled Criteria and Procedure for Incorporation of Price Adjustment Provisions in the Ongoing Contracts, August 2022, amended June 2023, modified January 2024. And approved the proposal, say the minutes of the ECNIC meeting. Full stop. Under the decision, fixed adjustable cost ratio at 30-70% and minimum weightage of adjustable cost elements revised from nil to 30%. Full stop. This cost escalation would generally be applicable to projects whose contracts had been signed before September 2022, and the price adjustment is now allowed to part of work executed after January 1, 2021. Full stop. Therefore, the revised document of standard procedure and formula price adjustment amended June 2023 will not be applicable on contracts signed after September 30, 2022, an order issued by the Planning Commission clarified following the ECNIC decision. Full stop. It explained that differences in price calculation will be processed through concerned forms such as the Central Development Working Party, Departmental Development Working Party, or the ECONOC full stop. In recent years, significant under-execution of the PSTP has put the realism of both PSTP budgets and multi-year projection into question. Full stop. This is systematic across federal and provincial governments, it said. At the federal level, a little over half of the PSTP was spent on economic infrastructure, energy, transport, water, etc., and the remaining was spent on the social infrastructure, education, health, etc. Full stop. The PSTP, the total cost for projects benefiting from federal or external funds, full stop. There is, however, no annual breakdown of this cost over the medium term, the IMF noted, full stop. It said the current arrangements do not enable line ministries to plan the delivery of a realistic multi-year capital program, it said, full stop. The PSTP reports the total cost for projects benefiting from federal or external funds, full stop. There is, however, no annual breakdown of this cost over the medium term, the IMF noted. It said the current arrangements do not enable line ministries to plan the delivery of a realistic multi-year capital program, it said, full stop. Insufficient information on the evaluation of the total cost of major projects could explain instances when largest cost overruns have only been identified exposed in the past, full stop. The Auditor General of Pakistan AGP has identified several such instances in performance audits of projects, full stop. A recent example is the Golan Gol hydropower project, which showed a final cost of rupees 30 billion for a project initially examined at rupees 7 billion, full stop. The end.